Hi students, this is Varakumar. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you one question from the complex number. The question is on the screen. Look at, if alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of x cube minus 3x squared plus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0, where omega is the cube root of unity, then find the value of alpha minus 1 by beta minus 1 plus beta minus 1 by gamma minus 1 plus gamma minus 1 by alpha minus 1. So among these four options, one is right answer. Right. Let me take the cubical equation, whatever it is given, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. Now, I am going to do here, which is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x. I am going to write it as minus 1 plus 8 is equal to 0. Now, here, this I can write a complete perfect cube. So, which is x minus 1 whole cube, which is equal to 8 if you send, that is minus 8. Minus 8. Now, x minus 1 whole cube, which I can write it as minus 2 whole cube. So, from here, x minus 1, this minus 2 also carry here. Minus 2 whole 3 is equal to plus 2. Now, cube, if you send this side, it becomes x minus 1 by minus 2, which is 1 power 1 by 3. Now, we know that the cube roots of unity. What are the cube roots of unity? 1 omega omega square. If you apply the concept that x minus 1 by minus 2, we can write it as the roots 1 or omega square. Okay. From here, the simplifying, then what we can get it? X minus 1 is equal to minus 2 or minus 2 omega or minus 2 omega square. Then 1 also is standard side. It becomes x is equal to 1 minus 2 or 1 minus 2 omega or 1 minus 2 omega square. Now, what are the roots? X is equal to minus 1 or 1 minus 2 omega or 1 minus 2 omega square. So let us assume that these are the roots alpha, beta, gamma. Now what is the given question? Alpha minus 1 by beta minus 1 plus beta minus 1 by gamma minus 1 and so on. So let us take that one. It becomes alpha minus 1 by beta minus 1. This is a question now. Right. Now substitute what all the values which we know as alpha, beta, gamma. When you substitute, it becomes minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2 omega minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 omega minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2 omega square minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 omega square minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 minus 1. Right. Now here minus 1 minus 2 divided by minus 2 omega plus minus 2 omega divided by minus 2 omega square, then minus 2 omega square divided by minus 2. Now everywhere the terms which are cancelled, let it be cancelled. After cancelling, what we can get it? 1 by omega. Then here also 1 cancel. 1 by omega and omega square. Now this simplify 2 by omega plus omega square. See, we know that omega cube is 1. So for this, I am going to multiply here with omega square to balance the denominator. Then it becomes now 2 omega square by omega cube plus omega square. Now denominator as usual 1. So we will get 2 omega square plus omega square, nothing but 3 omega square. Now from the options, option D, 3 omega square is the right answer. Children, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. For more updates, keep watching my channel. Thank you.